Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. It's paper pumpkin time. The July paper pumpkin kit is called The Adventure Begins. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. So this kit will make 12 cards. There's 3 different designs. This is the instruction sheet in color, so you can see what has to be done really easily. There's the ad for the Hope box that Shelley put together for next month. Here's the envelopes. How cute are those envelopes? And there's some die cuts that you can punch out to put on the cards themselves, as well as some greeting pieces. And here's the cards themselves. So let's just pop this one. These pieces punch out so that you have the image. And let's just pop these side pieces out like that. And then this piece here at the top of the lantern. And there we go. And these cards are actually a trifold. You can pop it over with your bone folder like that so that you've actually got an image in behind. So that's the one card. And let's check out the next card. Okay, and the next card is like this, and that's the inside, the mountain range there. And then we've got the camper van one, or I guess it's a caravan, and that's the inside of the caravan one. Comes with a garden green Stampin' Spot, some adhesive spots, the dimensionals, and look at those sequins. They are self-adhesive. And then there's the stamps. There's The World Awaits You, Let Your Light Shine, Explore, Congrats, Let the Adventure Begin, and Dream Big, Aim High. And it's got an evergreen tree with some detail on it, some sprinkles here, and a couple of different little butterflies. So that is the Stampin' Up! Kit contents for July. The kit is called The Adventure Begins. And in the next series of videos, I will make each of the cards in the kit and then make some outside the box cards as well. So thanks so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.